Alright guys, so today we're just looking at some very old Trane air handlers from 1979. So this is just a standard Trane air handler, probably a climate changer series. It serves a common area. So it's got both a supply fan and a return fan. And on the return fan, the serial number, there's some digits in there that say 79, so I'm pretty sure these units are all from 1979. There's the Trane logo. So here's your airfoil return fan, air mixing section. So you got outside air, return air, and relief air going out. Filter section, coils, and your supply fan, and then your ductwork that goes out. Here's just one example. We have another one over here, still running, also from 79. We got some McQuay heat pump, water source heat pumps, our motor control center, and some more units over here. Some have already been switched off. This building is under renovation, so some of the units have already been decommissioned and are awaiting demolition, but some are still in service. So at one point, all this was pneumatic controls. I can show you some evidence of that. Here's an old pneumatic box, but it was upgraded to DDC, so now it's just essentially a big junction box. It's all upgraded to Trane. I think this is Tracer Summit. This one's been already been taken offline. This one's still online. This one serves the cafeteria. It's this unit over here. Here's the big one. This is our unit status page. Supply fan, return fan status, set points, all that information. And we got our analog and binary inputs, so our return air, mixed air, discharge air, CO2, analog outputs, and our binary outputs. And then these are the displays. And then inside the cabinet here we got the Tracer Summit controllers for each unit. So the contractor has to maintain these units in working order until they're replaced. So pretty much, well, everything in this room will be gone when this project is done in a couple years. Everything over here has already been decommissioned. You can see on the controllers. No comms. So all the new and renovated classrooms will be served by VRF system with energy recovery units providing fresh air in other areas like this gym and stage on the other side of the wall here have rooftop units with energy recovery wheels or standard rooftop units. Yeah, that's just a quick look at some old Trane air handlers. Kind of neat to still see them in operation. You know what they say, they don't make them like they used to, and you can't stop a train. Here's the old unit tag. Half of it anyway. Yep, Trane air conditioning. Still going strong. Alright guys, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.